Hello, this is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and I have an important announcement for those who are interested in learning how to build your very own geothermal greenhouse. This coming Thursday, May 19th at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, I will have a live presentation here on my ldsprepper.com channel where you can ask questions and see the step-by-step process that Doug has been going through in building the geothermal greenhouse in his backyard in North Idaho Falls. He's got it all dug, he's got it filled, he's got lots of pictures, videos, and lots of answers to your questions. So click the link below this video and click the show more button. Set the reminder for tomorrow night's video, Thursday, May 19th at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. Don't miss that, and get your questions answered on how to build your own geothermal greenhouse.